Hey there, in this video we'll explore CloudFormation Mappings, a powerful feature that allows you to define static values and map them to keys. Mappings are particularly useful for handling regional differences or custom configurations. In CloudFormation, mappings are a way to create a lookup table of keys and their corresponding values. These values can be simple strings, numbers, or even complex data structures. Mappings are defined in a separate section of your CloudFormation template. To define mappings, we use mapping section in our template and provide a local logical name for the mapping. Inside the mapping, specify the key value pairs you want to associate. Once you define the mapping, you can use it in your resource by referring the mapping's name and the key you want to retrieve. Mappings are particularly useful when dealing with region-specific AMIs, instance sizes, or any other values that vary based on specific conditions. Mappings can also be nested, allowing you to create more complex lookup structures. You can also combine mappings with conditions for more advanced logic in your templates. So congrats! You have learned about CloudFormation mappings and how they can make your templates more flexible and maintainable. By creating lookup tables for keys and values, mappings provide a way to handle regional differences and other dynamic configurations.